Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. Alright, so let's begin. To invest in crypto using the Coinbase app, click on Trade at the bottom right of your screen. Here, under the Tradable tab, you'll find all the cryptocurrencies you can invest in through Coinbase. Scroll and press on them to see how they're performing and their price, or search for one here. To buy Ethereum, find or search for it. Make sure to click on this Ethereum ETH. On this page, click on Trade, and then select Buy ETH to pay with cash. Here, tap the amount you want to spend or the three dots to specify how much. An order preview will appear. Simply review your order, and on the next page, you can see the Coinbase fees shown here. Tap Buy Now to process, and you are done. So that's basically how you can buy Ethereum on Coinbase. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.